Hi, I'm Colin Walker and I'm the Reliability Advisor for the Cape Breton region.
Hi, I'm Emily Forbes and I'm a capital engineer.
We're in Baddeck today and we're doing some upgrades to some spans here. We are upgrading the poles by making them bigger and more resilient so they will be able to withstand storms better.
Prior to having crews come to set up the poles and run the lines, we prepare by trimming trees, requiring permission and any permits that are required for work in this area, as well as notifying the surrounding area if there will be any disruptions to their service.
We're also putting larger insulators on the poles as well to withstand some of the changing weather that we're seeing in Cape Breton. A constant challenge in Cape Breton is the terrain itself. Cape Breton is rural, which means that there's lots of dense, thick vegetation or forests. We also have mountains, hills. So our crews are constantly battling through those accessibility issues to complete projects such as this one. Learn more about our ongoing efforts to strengthen our grid at nspower.ca/reliability.